Hey guys, so I'm back for another unboxing of Infinite's 24 Hours Japanese single, and I only got the limited edition for this one, just because it came with everything that I wanted, the CD, the credit card, the photo book, all that. So I thought I'll get this one, and I might get the one with L or Sungyu's CD plates sometime in the future. I'm not sure, but they're really, really pretty. So this is the front and back, and it's so nice. It's definitely a 360 twirl on Dilemma. Give me 1 second. I've got no tripod. Okay. I don't mind getting Sungju, Myungsu, or the group. Either one's fine. I will trade if I don't get any of those. Ooh, this feels nice. It's a gold CD. And this one has the same texture, but in silver. Beautiful. After my horrible pulls in my BTS album, I'm hoping for a better pull this time. I think the photo card is in this little flap here. Let me see. Yeah, I think it is. Alright, we'll do that last then. So this is the photo book. Pretty, with the credits and all. I'm sorry for the mess. I've got some stuff down there. Myungsu, Sungjong, Maknae, Sungju, Woohyun. They look so good. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm being quiet. I don't want to talk loudly. I've got guests so far. Picture. I have had no luck lately. The photo cards. Hoya, Dong, Infinite H, and Songyo. He looks so good. Lyrics. Just Another Lonely Night. Lyrics and Together lyrics. Japanese version. Then another group picture, and that's it. Not much at all, but beautiful nevertheless. So it looks like the photo cards this time are like music cards. I'm just gonna slide it out. Oh. There it is. This is the ad. It's a very thin ad. Very different texture to what we usually get. Now, let's see. Oh, I saw the name. I got Sungjong. Holy crap, he loves me. I've gotten Sungjong in like everything. Like, legit. I'm not even joking. Oh, this makes me so sad. I love you, Sungjong, but I swear I get him in everything. Everything. I think the only time I've gotten someone different was in my season 2 album when I got Sungju, and I thought, oh, my infinite luck was gonna be good, but no. There's a Korea and all. Oh, that makes me so sad. Oh, I'm sorry, Sungjong. I love you so much, but I've just never been lucky. Anyway, if you would like to trade and have and you have Sungju, Myungsu, or Sungju or Myungsu, please let me know. I would love to trade. So he's in perfect condition, as you can see. I haven't done anything with him, so yeah, I'll put him straight to a sleeve after this. Alright. Oh, disappointing again. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.